Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can create a packing list in Todoist, your guide to organized and stress-free journeys in 2025. First off, open up the Todoist app. Now that we've done that, go to the top left corner and click on the plus to add a new project. Name it appropriately, perhaps something like packing list. Creating a separate project for your packing list keeps things organized and separate from your daily tasks. Next up, within your new project, begin adding tasks. Click on Add Task and start listing out items you need to pack. For instance, pack passport. The reason we do this is to break down your packing into manageable chunks. But we're not just creating a simple list here. Todoist allows us to add due dates to our tasks. So next to your task, click on Schedule and select a date and time. This helps us because it sets a deadline for when each item needs to be packed, keeping you on track and preventing last-minute packing stress. Now here's a cool feature. Todoist allows you to prioritize your tasks. Click on the priority flag next to your task and choose from P1 to P4, with P1 being the most important. Let me explain why this matters. By setting a priority level, you ensure that crucial items aren't forgotten. Lastly, add labels to your tasks. For example, you might label items as hand luggage or checked baggage. The reason we do this is to further organize your list and make packing even more efficient. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created an organized, prioritized packing list in Todoist that will make your travel preparations seamless. Remember, the key is in the details. Scheduling, prioritizing, and labeling your packing tasks can help you avoid travel mishaps. Thanks for joining us today, and happy packing.